So, kochanie, my baby. Μωράκι μου γλυκό, όμορφο, αγάπη μου, ζωή μου, λατρεία μου. Horses, horses, horses behind me. I was talking with one of the guys that brought us here, and he told me that me and the girl working together, we are one of the few foreigners that are here, and you're not allowed to be inside this area, inside this conservation. You cannot come if you don't have a special license, which is very hard to get. The thing is that it's so pure. It's the most pure place of being. Like, we're totally by ourselves. Only the people, the locals that are living here, mostly they move with motorcycles, as I have seen. They drive pretty crazy. They're fearless. Even when it's raining, they're just going downhill, they're going like crazy. And I guess they're pretty good on what they're doing, and they have no fear. Yeah, today is raining, and it's raining, stops raining. It's przelotno pada deszczu, as they say in Polish. Sun comes out, but then, you know, the sky is covered again with clouds, then a little bit of rain, and then again the same. Also, another thing is, like, now we are on 3,553 meters, which is pretty high, and the beginning is kind of hard. For sure, the oxygen saturation goes down, but you know, people are used to live here, and they're doing fine. They're quite short, the locals, as someone would expect from for people living in China. I don't want to be mean, but behind me, as you can see, there is a cow looking at me. No, it doesn't look. So now, time to go back to business. And yes, I will take you actually to a hut to see how a hut looks like here. Dun, dun, dun. Here I am again, back in the hotel room. I realized I didn't know anything about the place. I am the place I'm shooting, and the people I'm meeting, and the people that give me nice things to drink, tea especially. And after, you know, realizing I don't know anything, of course I wanted to learn more and give it here as information for you and the people that might watch this video. As you can see, like somewhere there are the laundry of the hotel. It's a very nice hotel, but by the way, this hotel is close, like the lake is exactly there, of the Basun Lake. Basun Lake is one of the biggest lakes in the Tibetan province, and I think generally in China. The Basun Lake, and where I am now, belongs to the Ningxi province, and the Ningxi province is around 300 kilometers on the east of Lhasa. So Lhasa is the capital of Tibet, and we are in Ningxi province. This Basun Lake is amazing, and it's around 3,538 meters over the sea level. So people that live there are really accustomed to very high, to the heights on this area. The footage that I was making is in the forest. I'm not exactly sure about which forest is, but now I know that this area, the Ningxi province, hosts the largest primitive forest of China. It's a 26.4 square kilometers or something like that. And it hosts many animals, and among them, Bengal tiger, leopards, deer, even a monkey, like a snub-nosed monkey, it's called, goats. Of course, in the video, you'll see, like the black pigs, and they're special also for this area. The black pigs, cows, and horses. Cows love this place. They do their business everywhere. It's very beautiful. The village I am spending most of the time, actually, I'm going to this village every day. It's called the Jiba village. The people there are really nice, really friendly, really warm, and they used to live inside the forest. But now, the government moved them down there. Now the government plans to work on tourism and bring more money to the area. The people are, as I said, really friendly, and they are called, let me see my notes, they're called Gongbu people. Especially, of course, there are other people living in this village as well, but these people, generation after generation, they're called Gongbu people, and they have even their own Tibetan dialect. So I don't want to say more information about this. This was my second vlog, and I really enjoy doing it. I hope you enjoy this video, and whoever wants to watch this video as well. That's all for today, and as they do so, yep, and as they do